life can have greater purpose. But you gotta choose to be the lighthouse to allow that purpose to come through. And when I say lighthouse, we know that a lighthouse shines the light throughout the dark to show the pathway to come home. Our original goal is always to heal the world, but we realized that we can accomplish that goal even faster if there is a collective of healers that understand the proper way of going about healing. It can get done a lot quicker. So, in our Alkaline Business Mentorship, we not only teach you the alkaline methodology, but we also get you certified through the CMA. So when you're done with the program, you'll have that paperwork to legally do whatever you want to do with herbs and provide it to the rest of the world if you so choose. Now you got the legal paperwork and certification to do it. You hear me? On top of alkaline herbology, this is a business mentorship. So we teach you the business aspect of running these types of companies. We teach you running ads. Because not many people in this space understand how to run ads properly. So also being a board certified credit specialist, we also teach you how to clean and leverage personal credit. We teach you also how to leverage business credit. Now we finna kick the high gear, high motion. And all of the information that we're giving you will be nothing without the proper mindset to be able to use it. So we help develop your mindset throughout the mentorship, so you're ready to come in and easily start making $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, $3,000 a day by helping your future clients and customers live a longer, healthier life, free of disease with the ability to not get sick. I'll see you on the inside. Come get the sauce, come get the juice, man. I'm telling you.